Hello everyone, I am Kirtan V from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we'll be discussing a few topics of angles and its projections, rotation, reflection, contraction, and projection. Introduction to angle and projection. Angle and projection are fundamental concepts in geometry, as we all know. They involve the measurement of angles and the projections of objects onto different surfaces. Understanding these concepts is essential for various applications in mathematics, engineering, and also in the design. Angle measurement. Angles are formed by two rays sharing a common endpoint called vertex. They are measured in degrees with a full circle measuring 360 degrees. Angles can be classified as acute, right, obtuse, straight, or reflex based on their measurements. Projection basis. Projection is the process of transforming objects onto different surface or plane. It is commonly used in map making, architectural drawing, and computer graphics. Types of projections include parallel projection, perspective projection, and orthographic projection, as you can see it in the diagram. What is a rotation? Rotation is the act of turning an object around a fixed point called the center of rotation. It can be clockwise or counterclockwise, that is anti-clockwise. So rotations are measured in degrees and can be described by their angles of rotation. Now, what is reflection? Reflection is a transformation that produces a mirror object or mirror image of an object. It involves flipping the object over a line called the line of reflection, as you can see it in the diagram. The line of reflection acts as a mirror, with each point on the object having a corresponding point on the reflected image. Mm. Contraction and expansion. Now, what is contraction and what is expansion? Contraction is a transformation that reduces the size of an object. The Now it involves shrinking or compressing the dimensions of objects proportionally. Expansion, on the other hand, is a transformation that enlarges the size of an object. Examples of contraction and expansion. Contraction and expansion can be seen in resizing images on a computer screen. They're also used in scaling objects in architectural drawings. These transformations are achieved by multiplying or dividing the coordinates of the objective's vertices. Now, applications of architecture. Now, there are a number of applications. Now, few of them are angles and projections concepts are extensively used in architectural drawings and in the blueprints. They help in accurately representing the dimensions and proportions of the buildings. Architects use angles and projections to create visually appealing and structurally sound designs. Now, applications in engineering. What are these applications in engineering? So, engineers use angles and projections to design and analyze mechanical systems. They help in determining forces, stress, and motion paths. Angle measurements and projections are vital in creating accurate technical drawings and 3D models. Now, applications of all these in computer graphics. So, computer graphics heavily rely on angle and projection techniques. They enable the rendering of 3D objects on a 2D screen. Angles and projections are used to create realistic and immersive visual effects in video games and animations. What are the total overall summary of angles and projection? Angle and projection concept form the foundation of geometry and spatial transformations. They're essential in various fields such as mathematics, engineering, and design. Understanding these concepts allows for all accurate representation and analysis of objects in different dimensions. We can conclude this concept by just telling that angle and projection, rotation, reflection, contraction, and expansion are key concepts in geometry. They have practical applications in architecture, engineering, and computer graphics. By mastering these concepts, one can effectively manipulate and understand geometric objects in different contexts. So, thank you.